Hi guys, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. So guys, we have done with the admin panel, but one thing I completely forget and it is pointed by Manish, so thank you Manish. I just forget to code the logout button and it is a very important thing and a very small thing at the same time. So let's quickly do this in this video and then deploy the project again. And then from the next video we will start the Android project. So to code the logout button, first we need to go to the admin.html page. And here we will check the ID of our logout button. So this is the logout button and we do not have any ID for this button. So let's put an ID first. So the ID is btn-logout. Now we will come to the app.js file, which is here. Inside the JS folder we have app.js. And here we will attach a click listener to our button, logout button. Okay, so let's do it. We will write a $, then hash and btn. Let's check what was the ID. I forget. So the ID is btn-logout. So let's select this button here. Then we will attach a click listener. It's very simple. Okay, now here we simply need to write firebase.auth.signout. Okay, that's it. Now let's deploy our project again. So to deploy the project, now we just need to write firebase deploy and it will deploy the changes. So the project is deployed. Now let's check if it is working or not. Login. And then from here, logout. You see, we came back to the login page. Login again. So it is working fine. So that's all for this video, friends. If you found this series helpful, then please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well. Thank you guys. This is Bilal Khan signing off.